Hello, me Professor Agarwal again, back to recording another video. Now in this video I plan to talk about marriage, a most important event in the life of human beings is marriage. It is sad that if your marriage succeeds, your life is like living in heaven, or if you have a problem with marriage, then it is living life in hell. I mean, now here we can understand the difference between hell and heaven, or on earth, or hell or heaven above, with which we get connected and suffer or enjoy. Mostly when we are enjoying the life, then we are actually we feel, or actually the situation is that we are receiving the vibrations from heaven to our system, our home, I would say our home, and we are enjoying the life because of those vibrations present in our home, which we have got from heaven. And same thing applicable, if we are getting vibrations from hell, then our life at home will become, there are sufferings, lot of sufferings would be there. Someone is falling sick, some family member is falling sick, or some accident takes place, or daily without any reason you have a fight. There is argument. It starts argumenting. Anything can start depending on the vibrations available from where. If it is heaven, then enjoyment. If it is hell, then sufferings. So the difference between the two, enjoyment and suffering, can directly be connected with the vibrations vibrations received from hell or heaven. So simple a technology to understand. And in this, marriage of the person plays a very, very important role. See, till the time he is single, the person is single, he or she, they are not bothered about anything. Or most of the time they are bothered about themselves, that how they are looking and what they are doing and what they should do, and talking to the person to whom they like most, whenever they want to talk to, or they ignore parents, they listen to parents, totally their choice. But when you get married, then the responsibility starts. Although responsibility is there since you took birth. Responsibility lies with you since you took birth. But the carelessness in responsibility is permitted to some extent till you get married. Mind it. So, the day you get married, the responsibility, you cannot become careless on responsibility. That is very, very important to be understood. And so marriage is a very important factor of life that we have understood. Now, if suppose I am there, now what kind of matrimonial match will suit me? I have started looking for female who will be to whom I will get married and pass my life, precisely unless I know what I need. I cannot take decision, or I'll take chances of taking wrong decisions are maximum. So who will guide me that what kind of match I should look for? It's for male or female both. So to understand that what kind of match I should start looking for, before start looking for the match, I must understand my behavior. And my behavior, I don't think I can understand from myself. It has to be explained by someone else. And someone else, who is the closest? Parents, obviously. But unfortunately, due to carelessness in your responsibility earlier, you have already gone away so much from your parents that whatever they will say, you may agree, you may not agree. नहीं मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता नहीं है, or some egoist clashes or something like that, or something they might have said something which you didn't like, so you wouldn't like to take their guidance. Maybe elder brother, elder sisters, the same story. So there are professionals available now. Earlier they were not available, or maybe they were available but technology was missing. Technology of finding the foundation. The key is that if I know my foundation and I will know my behavior well and I can connect with it very well. And if my building is made up on that foundation which I have, then definitely I will be able to understand that what kind of match will suit me. So the important is, first I should understand my foundation, that what kind of match will suit me. Then I start looking for the match. So chances of success of marriage, that is the receiving of vibrations of heaven, will improve a lot. If I know my foundation and I know that what kind of match will suit me, if I understand that. Mostly try to see that the match you are going to take is supplementing you rather than competing you. So the key is that the match I should look for, or anyone should look for, is the match which will supplement you, your shortcomings or some betterness, whatever, but it should be supplementing you rather than competing with you. If it is going to be competing with you, then the vibrations of hell are bound to come to your life, and if it is supplementing you, then the vibrations of heaven are bound to reach your life. So now you decide that you would like to go in search of a match, first knowing my foundations, and then before finalizing, I must understand the foundation of the other person also. And that person, other person, the match, should also understand my foundation. And both of you should understand that we are going to supplement each other rather than becoming a competitor. Once these three things are understood, getting into marriage will bring you all vibrations from heaven, not hell. Even if hell tries to intervene or tries to, disturb your life, it cannot get disturbed, because already the vibrations of heavens are reaching you, so they cannot be, no one can disturb those vibrations. They are directly connected with your home. So matrimonial match is the very, very important event in your life. So make sure that it is done in such a way that the vibrations of hell do not reach your would-be home which you are going to make. Because if your family, new couple is disturbed somehow, then two big families are getting disturbed. You must understand this. So the importance is that rather than keep disturbing your both families, you choose the match which is supplementing your shortcomings or the betterness, rather than becoming a competitor and inviting the vibrations of hell. So I am sure a little bit of this 4D Infuser Institute is cultivating community or the counselors or the people who can convey your foundation by using the Pancharak technology which is made available, and 4D Infuser Institute is using that technology to convey it to the or teaching that technology to people. Whomsoever wants to learn, one can learn. Even parents should learn. I think even the person who is going for matrimonial match, he should also learn. What is the problem? And that will help them connecting their home with the vibrations coming from heaven, not hell. That's the thing which I wanted to convey today. It's a very important topic, so I took almost a week to understand that what I am supposed to talk, and today I have conveyed. So please, this video is available on the YouTube, and 4D Infuser Institute website also it is available. You can see it there.